你好, today's lesson we are going to talk about 课程表, timetable. So our learning goal today is, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to use the plural pronouns, ask about someone's timetable, use the verb 是, which means to be, and write some new Chinese characters. Okay, let's start. So let's do some revision from last week. Remember the sentence structure. 我星期一上午7点有中文课. It means that Monday 7 a.m. I have Chinese class. So seeing that 我, the subject is coming first, 星期一上午7点, the time word coming second, and 有 means have, and Chinese class coming last. Okay, so this is the sentence structure. Now, looking at the 课程表, the timetable, if you want to talk about 星期一 at 8:45, you have 汉语. You would say 星期一8点45分是汉语课. That means that Monday 8:45 it is Chinese class. So you will say this if you're not talking about your own timetable. But if you are talking about your own timetable, you can say 星期一8点45分我有汉语课. Okay, I have Chinese class. Alright? Now, you can also talk about the timetable as a whole week. So, for example, 星期二, you have these classes. You can say 星期二我有4节课. Remember, 节 is a major word for counting lessons. Okay, so 星期二我有4节课. I have 4 lessons on Tuesday. 音乐, 英文, 体育和数学课. Alright? Now, take a look at our own school timetable. If you want to describe our school timetable, you can talk about when you go to school, when you leave school, and when you have lunch. Okay, so 上学 means going to school, 放学 leaving school, and 吃午饭 your favorite, going to eat the lunch. Okay, so if you want to say I start school at 8:45, you can say 我8点45分上学. Now, if you want to be more advanced, you can say 我上午 in the AM 8点45分上学. Alright. Now, let's talk about asking questions. So there are 2 ways to ask question. You can follow the structure time plus 你有什么课? 你有什么课? You have 什么 what class, okay? You can say 星期一上午8点你有什么课? Which means Monday 8 a.m. 上午你有什么课? What class do you have? Okay? Or you can use another structure with what time do you have class? For example, 你几点有 and 中文课. Okay, so that means what time do you have Chinese class? Okay, if you say 你几点有德文课, that means what time do you have German class? Alright? Now let's talk about the use of 们. 们 is a plural pronoun. So if you use 们 after 你 or 我, it makes it into a plural. Okay? For example, if you say 我们, that means we. Okay? So if you say 他们, the 他 in male particle, that means they. Okay? With male or female mixed together. If you use 他们 with female particle, however, it means that they are all female. Okay? And if you say 你们, that means you guys. Alright. Okay, the last thing we want to talk about is answering yes or no. So depending on the sentence, the answer for yes and no is different. So take a look at these examples. 你是老师吗? 你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? If you want to say yes, you will say 是. If you say no, you say 不是, I am not. Okay? So, if you say 你喜欢看书吗? 你喜欢看书吗? The positive form will be 喜欢 and the negative will be 不喜欢. Alright? Now, 我可以吃吗? Can I eat? If you want to say you can say 可以. If you want to say you cannot, you say 不可以. Okay? 你今天有中文课吗? Do you have Chinese class today? If you want to say I have, you would just say 有. If you want to say I don't have, you say 没有. Alright, simple as that. 再见